Hello, Facebook. It's Robert Weichelt once again for another episode of Weichelt Wednesday Realtor Spotlight. My friend Jonathan, how are you, buddy?
Glad to be here with you again.
Good. I'm happy to be here. It's 2020.
I know.
Are you excited?
I mean, yeah.
You and I were talking between Christmas and New Year the last time, and we had the tree up, and here we are, no tree. I mean, it's like gone so fast. This year's we're already in almost the middle of January.
Yeah.
So let's get right into it. You know, it's Weichelt Wednesday, and I want to do a quick question. So tell me about your why on the personal side, and then let's touch a little bit on your business why.
Okay. On my personal side, obviously my family is number one, but one thing that's always burned in my heart is to be able to help veterans that are being cast aside by the system. You know, and it's a pretty complicated problem, but you know what? We're working on it. I've got some things going with some a community effort and some other people that have really also got that same why.
Yeah.
Right? So that's on a personal level. On my business side, I've always enjoyed real estate. To me, it's like everyone needs to, you know, if they don't own real estate, at least own some rentals.
Sure.
You know, so that you have something to build and leave as a legacy and so on and so forth. So I've been in real estate for going on 19 years now.
Nice. Been a while.
So
been a while.
Since 2003. So I've really enjoyed it. I've done quite a bit of different things within real estate. So when I heard about EXP, the thing that really stuck in my mind, because I've always been into network marketing, is that they have an aspect of network marketing that actually builds residual income.
Nice.
I mean, you don't have to work.
Yeah.
Right?
Well,
you have to work.
It takes some work to get there.
Right. But once you're there.
But if you build it and it grows, it's something that, for instance, you're building your real estate business. You're helping your clients. You're doing your 10, 20, 30, 40 transactions a year as a realtor. You're building your team, your buyer agents, because you're doing so many open houses that are driving so much traffic. You can't help but build your team of buyers. You're making referral fees on that. But along the way, you're going to do transactions with agents that you just think, I love this person. I want to work with them again. Introduce them to what we're doing. And for that, you get a residual off of what they're doing. So you have three different ways to go.
The company pays. The agent doesn't pay for it.
The company pays it, not the agent. That's the beautiful thing. So, I mean, my good friend Bob Mangold, he fell off the roof. Off his, and that was not a good thing, being up on the roof and falling down. He was on his back for 13 weeks.
Wow.
So my question is, if you couldn't work for 13 weeks, what would your financial outcome look like? It'd be pretty devastating. It would be pretty devastating. So that's the point. You can grow your business with listings. You can grow your business with referral fees from your buyer agents and the residual income, not to count the stock. That's a whole nother topic.
Oh, that's another one. I like that, too, because that actually grows. I've been watching the stock price on that.
It's actually not bad,
it's gone up within a year, $3, which is pretty good.
And it's growing big time. So really, that's what we're doing today as an agent spotlight. You know, what is your why? And I appreciate you coming on and sharing with the nice folks what your why is, because that's really what gets us out of bed. What is your why? I was talking to somebody earlier today. I said, what's your why? And she's all, bacon.
Bacon.
I'm like, oh, what gets you out of bed? Bacon. I'm like, I love that. I'm using that. So this is Robert Weichelt from my good friend Jonathan. Thank you for your time, buddy.
And always be well.
Always be well. We're going to leave it right there. That's an awesome one. Be well.